Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are in the parish of St James and we are in Rhyne Park. We will be featuring a development called the Edmund Ridge Estate. The Edmund Ridge Estate is made up of 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single-family bungalows, 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathroom townhouses, and 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom split-level units. Now, the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom bungalows in phase 1 have all sold out, and the 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom split-level units have also sold out in the beginning phase. They are building more in the 2nd and 3rd phase, but the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom and the 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom have currently all sold out in phase 1. The unit that we are going to be showing you today is the 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom townhouse. Now guys, these are not detached, they're not bungalows, okay? These are what we call terraced, but these are available to purchase in this phase at the moment. As usual, we like to take you on a drive, show you the surrounding areas, and it's approximately a 10-minute drive from the main road, okay? And as you would have seen, the road to take you into Edmund Ridge Estate is directly opposite where the Hilton Hotel is in St James. The units in this development are being sold by the Housing Agency of Jamaica, HAJ. Now, the Housing Agency of Jamaica is a land and housing development company that provides shelter solution for Jamaicans island-wide. It's wholly owned by the government of Jamaica, and HAJ, Housing Agency of Jamaica, falls under the umbrella of the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. And its core services include providing shelter solutions on the open market, mortgage servicing and upgrading informal settlements. So if this development is something that you're interested in maybe purchasing one of these units in this development, you will need to go through the Housing Agency of Jamaica. Guys, you can go on their website, you can apply, and you can see other upcoming developments that are being built by the Housing Agency of Jamaica also. Guys, let me just also say, we are only going to be featuring and showing the 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom model unit in this video because that's what is available. However, in the other phases coming up, they will be building more of the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom detached units, bungalows, and more of the 3-bedroom split level units. So if you're interested in any of those, do go on to the website, just type Edmund Ridge in and have a look at the videos and the photos of the other units if that's what you're interested in. Okay, prices. Now, these prices are subject to escalation, and these are the prices for phase 1. So the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom detached bungalow is 14 million Jamaican dollars. The 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, which we are going to be showing you, is 15.5 million Jamaican dollars. The 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom split level units are 19.4 million Jamaican dollars. Of course, once phase 2 is completed, the price will more than likely go up. Sizes, unit sizes, the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom is 804 square feet. The 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom is 990 square feet, and the 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom is 1,248 square feet. Now, you would have seen that beautiful view as we came in. It does have a great view up here. Now, these units that you're seeing here, these are the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom single detached bungalows. Like I said, these are all sold out in this phase, but they will be building more. Guys, there is a model unit for the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. So if you want to come and have a look, then by all means you can come and view the model unit for the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom for the next phase. These ones coming up here, these blue and grey ones that you see here, right, these are the 3-bedroom split level, okay? So they are built downwards. These look like detached, but they actually have got a floor that goes down. So the stairs go down in these ones to the bedrooms. These are the 3-bedroom. These that you can see in the background, the grey and yellow, that's what we're going to view. These are the 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom townhouses. And these are not detached, guys. They are terraced houses. This is going to be a really big development. And if you can see all the way at the top of that hill, the work is going to continue up there also. So these are what we're going to view, the ones directly ahead of us. Into the living room. So as you come in, you enter straight into the living room. In front you can see 2 doors. The smaller door, it leads you into a cupboard storage space, and the door directly in front is where the powder room is. So it's downstairs powder room. And of course you can see that it's a kind of open plan concept. Well, it is an open plan concept, and it leads directly into the kitchen. To the left is the stairs to go to the 2 bedrooms, and directly opposite is the back garden. So this is the downstairs powder room. Now this is the backyard space, so no, it's not very big. Where you can see the post, that's how far back the yard space is, okay? So as you can see, there are a few more posts, and that just indicates how far back each unit space, backyard space is. So into the main bedroom, and the main bedroom does come with a built-in closet. Up here there is a shared bathroom, so there's no ensuite in this unit, but it is a 2-bedroom with a shared bathroom upstairs. a shared bathroom. And onto the hallway. So there is quite a bit of space between the two bedrooms. And directly in front, you can see where the white door is. That is extra storage cupboard. Okay, and now into the second bedroom, which also comes with a built-in closet. So guys, like I've said, if you're interested in any of these units, please do go on the HAJ, Housing Association of Jamaica's website. All the details you need are there, the numbers you need are there also, application process is there also, okay? Guys, we hope you have enjoyed this video. We thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Please do watch some of the ads. And until next time, datmisehtv.